Hello everyone, I'm Siad Malim from SOMA Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to subtract matrices. In order to subtract matrices, as explained in a previous video, you have to identify the order of the matrices or the size of the matrices. So how many rows does the matrix have? How many columns does it have? So when you identify that, then it's only that you can add or subtract matrices if they are the same order. Okay, let's start with this example. We have matrices A, which has an order of 2 rows and 2 columns. 1, 2. Those are 2 columns and 2 rows. 1, 2. Okay, so the order of these matrices A is order of A is 2 by 2. Similarly, B, it has 2 rows, 1, 2, and then 2 columns. So that is 2 by 2 also. Because the orders are the same, 2 by 2 in A and 2 by 2 in B, then now we can subtract these two matrices. If the orders are not the same, there is no way we can either add or subtract a matrices. Okay, so let's do this example. A is 7, 3, 5, 4, and B is 6, 4, -1, and 3. So in order to subtract these two matrices, we subtract corresponding elements. Okay, so what that means is A minus B is equal to 7 minus 6, first element in the first element of the first row in matrices A. You subtract it from first element in the first row of matrices B. So that is what it means by 7 minus 6. And then you can move to the next element in the first row of A and then subtract that from second element, first row of B. Okay, so let me do that. 3 minus 1, and then the next one is 5 minus 4. Lastly, it is 4 minus 3. Okay, what this will give me is, if we simplify further, 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus minus, that is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 3 minus 4 minus 3 is also 1. So the final answer for this problem is 1411. Okay, so in general, what you have to do is first you identify the order of the matrices. If they are the same, then you subtract each corresponding element of the two matrices. That's what I did in this example here. Let's do another example. Say we have C, which is 10, 1, and 2, and then 4, 8, and 6. That is your first one. And we have D, matrices D, which is 8, -1, 2, 6, 9, and 5. So the first step is to identify the order of the two matrices and check if they are the same. So here I have, in C, I have 2 rows and 3 columns. So it is 2 by 3. Here also in D, I have 2 rows and 3 columns. That means the orders are the same, so I can subtract the 2. So C minus D will give me, I have to subtract the corresponding elements. Okay, so 10 minus 8, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, and then 4 minus 6, 8 minus 9, 6 minus 5. So let me simplify that. So 10 minus 8 is 2. 1 minus minus 1 minus minus, that is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. 8 minus 9 is negative 1. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So this is the final answer for this problem too. Okay, let me do one final example. Say we have a matrices E, which is equal to 5, 6, 9, 4, 6, 8, 7, 5, and negative 1. And also we have matrices F, which is 4, 5, 8, 3, 5, 6, 6, 4, and 2. Okay, just like we did previously, the first step is to identify the matrices order. The order for E is, I have 3 rows. This one is the first one is always the row when you are writing the order. Okay, so it's always row by column. Okay, so 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is 3 by 3, and in F you also have 3 by 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, 3 rows and 3 columns. 3 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so because they are the same, the orders are the same, we can now go ahead and subtract the two matrices. Let me write it down here. E minus F is equal to, you have to subtract each corresponding element. First element in the first matrices is 5 minus 4, which is the first element, first row in F. Okay, so the next one is 6 minus 5, 9 minus 8. So that is the first row done. 4 minus 3, 6 minus 5 also, and the next one is 8 minus 6. That's the second row done. Third row, 7 minus 6, 5 minus 4, and then minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so let me simplify this further. This will give me 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, and minus 3. Okay, so that is the answer to this problem as well. So as I said, the first step is always identify the order of the matrices, and the next step is to just subtract the corresponding element. I will stop it there for today. I hope this was helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe. Until then, happy learning.